Here we have a 2020 XL1200NS Sportster Iron in vivid black with retro tank striping. Does have that Evolution air-cooled engine, 1200cc, mid-mount controls with aftermarket Arlen Ness pegs, as well as matching Arlen Ness grips. Does have a Saddlemen 2-up diamond stitch seat. Rear suspension is preload adjustable. Bullet turn signals in the rear. Also has a matching Arlen Ness knurled shifter as well. Iconic peanut tank with center fill gas. And we're looking at 4,985 miles on the odometer. It does have these mini-ape style meat hook bars. Give it a custom look. Has the headlight cowl with LED headlight. And a blacked out mag wheel in the front. 9-spoke, 19-inch. Also has Vance and Hines short shots. Gives it a nice rumble. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.